In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Fortinet on Chrome. If you've ever found yourself needing to turn off this extension, maybe for troubleshooting or simply because you no longer need it, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To begin with, open up your Chrome browser. Once you have it open, take your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu showing all the extensions that you currently have active on Chrome. After that, look towards the bottom of this drop-down menu. You'll see an option that says Manage Extensions. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new tab displaying a full list of all the extensions installed on your browser, including Fortinet. Now, with this new tab open, scroll through and locate the Fortinet extension. You'll notice that each extension has a small toggle switch next to it. This toggle is what allows you to enable or disable the extension without completely removing it from your browser. If your intention is to disable Fortinet temporarily, simply click the toggle switch to turn it off. The switch will change color, indicating that the extension is now disabled. This is a great option if you think you might need to use Fortinet again in the future, as it keeps the extension installed but inactive. However, if you're certain that you no longer need the Fortinet extension, you can remove it entirely. To do this, look for the Remove button associated with the Fortinet extension and click on it. Chrome will prompt you to confirm that you want to remove the extension. Confirm your choice, and the extension will be uninstalled from your browser. And there you have it. Whether you chose to disable or remove the Fortinet extension, you've now successfully managed it on your Chrome browser. Remember, managing your extensions can help improve your browser's performance and ensure that only the necessary tools are active, enhancing your overall browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need more assistance, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.